10 gallons an acre.
The sprayer will mark where you've sprayed on a map on the screen, and then as you make turns to do the field, if you overlap what you've already been on, the nozzles will automatically shut off so that you don't double spray any part of your field. The technology is amazing. I mean, it makes it so when you get done, you've hit everything you wanted to hit, and you haven't double sprayed. It's pretty awesome technology, very high technology.
It's pretty cool how those are.
Okay, so instead of